As a busy mom of 3, I was very excited when I was asked to use and review this dry erase weekly planner. I easily mounted it to my kitchen refrigerator and laid out a couple of important things for each day I needed to remember. I really like this because each day of the week has its own little section, and I can write small reminders for very important things that I don't want to forget. The board easily erased, and I was able to use the eraser included on the dry erase pen to wipe it clean. The weekly planner definitely allows us to keep track of meals or pickups or someone's to-do list. Myself, my husband, and my kids all jot down little reminders, and so far so good. We are definitely making this weekly planner a part of our everyday lives, but I highly recommend this magnetic dry erase weekly planner.